So I'm just looking at the numbers and seeing where we are. Conversion rates, GCI, potential income, all those things are things that I'm looking at, and then ways to lead generate, ways to get more listings, ways to get more business within the team. So that's my main function, my main role in all of this is to make sure we're driving sales, and we're using that through Command. We use the campaigns dashboard a lot, and so within the campaigns dashboard, what we found is we can send direct mailers out to neighborhoods that we farm. We also use the campaigns dashboard to set up social media ads and pay-per-click ads, things like that, to not only just be in our hyper-local area, but also farm outside to gain more territory. And then the landing pages as well. So what we'll do is we'll create landing pages for different neighborhoods that we service and communities that we service, and then we'll put the link for the landing page in an email and blast it out in hopes of that the people in the neighborhood would click on that link and ask for a home valuation. So those are ways that we're doing to use Command to create more listings and leads for the team.